What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well. Hopefully you have had a good weekend thus far as we wrap this weekend up. Sitting down here to get my monthly recap out of the way. You see I'm sporting that silver and black today. You see it's Raider Nation in full effect. Raiders kind of let us Raider Nation folk down this year. But guess what? Your boy LMD did not let his trading account down this month. Let's go ahead. Let's pull up TRADERVUE. Let's go ahead and look at what we did on the month. If you caught the last 2 days of January's recaps, you know that we were striving for a all green month, and we did just that. Solid month. Had a couple of flat days, had a couple of average days, and we finished the month out strong with a new strategy that I'm putting together, that I'm working on. So got big plans for February. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the reports. Let's go ahead. Let me take this back to January, filter it, and we'll go to detailed, and let's look at the details. Total gains on the month, 2339.44. Average daily gain, 116.97. Average winning trade, 37.43. Average losing trade, 25.98. Not bad, not bad. Let's look at our averages. 78.9% winning rate. Nice, 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 nice. I always say that I could probably get this a little lower and increase these numbers by staying in trades a little bit longer. Losers, 18.9, 2.1 on the scratch. Max consecutive wins, 11. Can't really pay attention to maxed unrealized because most of the trades for the month were option trades, and this does not work within TRADERVUE for options. Let's come on back up to largest gain, 200. Largest loss, 63. Profit factor, 6.0. Average hold time on a winner, 2 hours, negative. This here is a little bit skewed by a couple of overnight holds. Traded 2 SPY contracts, held them overnight for 2 nights. So this is a little skewed. Hold time on the losers, 8 minutes. If I had to guess, I would say that the winning trade hold time is about the same as the losing trade hold time. 2 minutes on the scratch trades. Let's come on down. Let's go days and times. Wednesdays seem to be our best day for the month of January. I don't really put too much stock in this, but I do say on Mondays, I come in with a little anxiousness, a little anxiety, butterflies in my stomach, like it's the first time I'm sitting down at my desk. And then as the week goes on, I kind of get back in the flow of things. So that's something that I need to kind of work on for Mondays. Kind of lose that anxiousness. Sometimes it's so much anxiousness, I'm quick to get in a trade where I probably should just kind of let the charts flow. So something I know I need to work on. Performance by hour, that first 30 minutes, 9:30 to 10 o'clock. That's what's encompassed right here at 9, 10 to 11. That's coming in next. A lot of people don't like to trade that first 30 minutes of the market. That first 9:30 to say 9:45. It can be a little volatile because my background was founded, my foundation was built on live traders, their program. I love that first 30 minutes. That's what I kind of base my strategy on. So I'm not uncomfortable in that first 30 minutes. As the morning moves on, you see that the trades kind of slowed down. Here we go. Like I said, took 2 overnight holds, made 409. Not bad money on those. Performance by intraday duration. So this is what we could look at for that intraday time. Looked like the biggest one was a minute to 2 minutes, followed by 10 minutes to 20 minutes. If you just took those two and divided it, it's going to put you right around 10 minutes, right there where I figured I would be at for my average hold time on the winners. Let's see what else we can glean some information from. Probably not going to be able to get much from this because, again, we're trading options. So this data right here is not going to really provide much information. Nope, none of that. Let's go instrument. See what our top 3 was. SPY, number 1. I love the SPY. Meta, followed by Tesla. And then you see rounding out, we have Netflix, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Apple. I love the price action of Tesla. I can see how my money is going to formulate when I'm trading. Or did I say Tesla? I meant the SPY. I love how the SPY moves. These other ones, I can get a big move and the money doesn't move with it. So that's why I love SPY, and that's why you see SPY was what I traded the most of. Bottom 3, SQ, CMMB, which was probably a stock trade, an equity trade, and then the QQQ. Not a fan of the QQQ, but I did take a trade on it, and you see it was a losing trade. Let's come on down. Instrument volume, again, trading options, big caps. Not going to get much data from that. Relative volume, same way. These are big caps. They're going to have good relative volume. Let's look at the win-loss. We got this from the front page, 80.6, 19.4. But let's come over here and see what we actually made. So we made 2807 and we gave back 467. That is not a bad ratio. I'll take that ratio every month. Every month. Let's look at the calendar. See, we kind of started off slow as the month came on, and then we stepped it up a little bit. And then once I kind of started working on this trend trading strategy that I'm putting together, we kind of got that curve to kind of go up a little steeper. And I look to continue to do that. That is pretty much all we're going to get from this page. Let's take a peek at February, though. Look at this. Right now, month of January, we made $23.39. Not bad trading out of a cash account, a small account. Let's go ahead and let's look at February. And we are only in the month of February, 3 trading days. Total gain so far in those 3 days, 767. Average daily gain, 255. Average winning trade, 66.92. You see improvements? Average losing trade, 17.91. I definitely see improvement. Percentages, 85.7% win ratio, 14.3 on the losing side. Again, can't pay too much attention to the max unrealized. Largest gain, 159. Largest loss, 25. Profit factor. We stepped that up from 6.0 to 22.42. Average winning trade hold time, 37 minutes. This is with no intraday holds. No intraday holds. This here is all a byproduct of this new strategy that I'm working on. I'm able to see the bigger pictures on a lot of trades when I add the hourly trend line. When I find a stock that's in an hourly trend line, that allows me to see the potential that that trade has in it. So a trade can be trading in a very narrow intraday, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute chart, but it can have a lot of room left on that hourly chart. I can maximize my hold time to maximize my potential wins. We did good in those 3 days, 767. I probably left $2,000 on the table with those same trades, not taking any more additional trades, but holding the trades that I was in. I can comfortably say that I left $2,000 on the table. So I could have made in 3 days what I made the entire month of January. That there speaks volumes to this strategy that I'm working on. Let's look at wins and losses real quick. Again, that's on that top page. Let's look and see. So we made 803 and we gave back 35.82. Not bad. I take that all day long. I will take that all day long. On that note, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this recap. I appreciate y'all checking me out. If you have not already hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. Over here at LMD Trading, we are very close to 500 subscribers. I would love to have you as a subscriber. I would love to have you help me reach that milestone. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. Hopefully you putting your game plan together to come in the market on Monday. I did a video breaking down what I think the possibilities for the SPY is. If you have not checked that out, I'm going to drop a card up in one of these corners. Check it out. Check it out. Let me know what you think on that as well. But let's go ahead. Let's get that mind right. Let's be ready for Monday. Let me get those butterflies out of my stomach so I could be ready when the market opens and we can make this thing happen. On that note, I'm wrapping this one up and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.